First of all, welcome in our municipality. Today it was a bad weather for us, and we had till now our body for crisis, and we made some meeting about next steps of our public enterprises and of course our local government, and we hope that it won't be rainy in the afternoon. So first of all, thank you for your here. The Egyptians from Ohrid are people that are very, I can say, patriots and part of our community many years in the past. They are the most powerful ethnicity here in Ohrid. The biggest number are in Ohrid. In total in Macedonia, the biggest number are in Ohrid. I can say for the past 2 terms of our local government since 2017 and right now 2021, they are part of our city council, and I hope they are going to be part of the next one and next one and next one, because they can be part of our decisions, not only for their community, but in general for our city functioning, how the city function in the future, of course. So I'm glad that you're here, and congratulations for your Day of Egyptians, 24th of June. Also, they have Beno and his community of people and his team, of course, is doing a lot for this community here. Even though that in the past there was some political party here in Ohrid. I don't know the name of the political party. Soyuz of yes. There was, but right now they are functioning like a community, not like a political party, but they are pretty successful. They have a football club right now. They have cultural group that is almost on every Egyptian organization that they have. Of course, they have it's on winter. I think the Egypt of Sun. It's a pretty good organization, and it's a long tradition, 5 or 6 years, maybe 7. I don't know exactly, but I'm almost every time there. So I can say that this cooperation that we have like a local government with the community of Egyptians, it will continue in the future, of course, and we are going to together with them to invest in their progress, in their education and everything that they need, because it's our job. So I'm Kirill. That's the way I should start this conversation, but I'm Kirill Pezakov, the mayor of Ohrid. I was elected in November 2021, 1 year and a half already, 7 months. So we have a good, very good cooperation. Even though they were from the member of city council from the opposition party. They were on their list, but next time they will be on our list, of course. Of course. Yeah, it's already seen. And as I said, I think that both of us here young people with ideas, of course, and a lot of projects that can be done in the future. So the cooperation for now is good, but it will be better and better and better. So I would like to hear from you right now.
Thank you, Mayor. Very happy to meet you. Unfortunately, not in the best circumstances, but I'm used to that. If our media will see this meeting, they will say our Minister of Local Government is not only more helping only the municipality council, but also beyond the borders, because I'm the first respond for the mayors when they have also this situation. So I'm quite used when I saw the entrance of the.
Where do you live? What is your city?
I'm from Payam of origin, and I continue living there.
Okay.
And yeah, but Pristina is the place where we spend all the
Of course.
day and some hours of the night. Happy to be here. Happy to hear about our community in Ohrid. Our movement as community has strong connections, and not only with Ohrid. That's why also we decided today to be here. With me is also Fridan, who is member of parliament. Begino is the president of the Egyptian political party in Albania.
Okay.
Mr. Stola Fazli is member of the central election body in Kosovo from our political party, and Vladimir is the chief of staff.
Okay.
So we came to see our community. It's the first time I'm meeting them.
This is your first time?
No, I have been a couple of times in Ohrid, but my first time in this capacity, and the first time that I'm meeting also the community. So besides Rubin, haven't had a chance to meet the others. I wanted to know how they live and see what we can do more. Since the origin of our movement in Balkans, it's an Ohrid, maybe sometimes not bad to come back and see which are the next steps. As government in Kosovo, we are really focused on supporting all communities. And for sure that the Egyptian community and other marginalized communities have special treatment these times. Also because of the will of the Prime Minister, but also my presence in the government has direct daily impact. This we can see in the investment that are made in areas where the community lives, support in the education, employment, and etc. But today it's a day in which we want to be more festive. I will not speak
Of
about
course.
the problems, but really happy to be here and see the community, and I'm sure I'll be surprised for good. I didn't know that we are a member of the council.
Yes.
So
Then
that's
also
a good step. If you can replace him with somebody else, and not replace him, maybe give more people in the council, it will be best chances for you to be member of parliament.
It's not connected. Yes, yes. I